how to buy Chimpocash token. So this token came under the symbol of Chimpo. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's in the pre-sale right now. So if you click on the official website, you will be able to read access this page. Now click on buy now on the pre-sale. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds, and as you can see, you'll be able to see in this page. So the sale starts in the 2 days from now. So what you need to do, as you can see here, now switch the network to BNB Smart Chain. After you click on it, now as you can see, you need to connect your wallet first. I will just disconnect and log out. So connect your wallet first, select your wallet from here. As you can see, if you don't see your wallet here, click on all wallets. As you can see in the search, now type the name of your wallet. So I will select the BTK wallet for that. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, as you can see, now here type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can see the buy button. For you, click on buy and you will be able to, the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy Chimpo token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.